Did you know that 70% of people who make it to age 65 will need long term care before they pass away? Yet, most people believe it will never happen to them. Unfortunately, that belief could cost them their home and life savings. So, is long term care insurance the answer? Or are there better options? Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the truth about long term care insurance, what it covers, what it doesn't, whether or not it's worth it, and what you can do to protect yourself and your family from the skyrocketing costs of care. Hi, I'm Chuck Roulet. I'm an estate and elder law attorney licensed to practice in both Florida and in Minnesota. And before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure to tap the like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. And if you have a question, post it in the comments below and I may answer it in an upcoming video. And if you stay until the end, I'll share some resources where you can discover more. Now, you might be thinking, I'll never go into a nursing home, or Medicare will cover it, or I have enough money saved to handle it, or my spouse or one of the kids will help. But these are myths that can lead to financial disaster. For example, I've personally worked with several families over the years where a spouse or adult child initially took on the role of providing care for an aging spouse or parent, only to reach a point where they could no longer lift them when they fell, or help them bathe or dress. In one instance, I helped a family where their mom was the primary caregiver for their dad until she fell and broke her hip while trying to lift him, and now both parents were in need of care. I've seen it happen time and time again. Families forced to spend down their savings, sell their homes, and scramble for solutions when it's too late. And the cost? Well, with nursing homes averaging over $10,000 a month, the financial impact can be devastating. So is long-term care insurance the answer? It depends. Let's look at some of the problems people run into with it. First, not everyone qualifies. If you have any health conditions, you could be denied coverage altogether. Second, it's expensive. Many people discover that even if they qualify, they can't afford it. Third, many people who have it can't afford to keep it as the premiums are rising to keep pace with the costs, resulting in many people dropping their coverage when they are most likely to need it. Fourth, many policies don't cover what people expect. So, for example, I once had a client who thought her policy would take care of everything, but when we reviewed it together, she had only $4,000 a month in coverage for a maximum of 2 years. With nursing home costs in her area costing around $11,000 a month, and the average stay for a woman being 3.7 years, she was looking at a massive shortfall. So is long-term care insurance worth it? Well, ask yourself these questions. Can you qualify? If you're in good health, you might be able to get coverage. Can you afford it long term? Now, again, many people get policies in their 50s or 60s, but when they retire, they can no longer afford the premiums. Will it actually cover what you need? So, for example, some policies cover only home care, but not assisted living or nursing homes. Others have daily or monthly benefit caps that won't keep up with rising costs. For some, long-term care insurance can be part of the solution, but for many, it's not enough or it's simply not an option. Now, the good news, there are better ways to protect yourself and your family. And this is where working with an experienced elder law attorney, someone who understands both estate planning and long-term care planning, can make all the difference. We use legal strategies to help clients pay for the care they need while protecting their home and savings. And here's something many people don't realize. You don't have to be broke to qualify for assistance. With the right planning, you can ensure your assets are protected and still get the care you need. So if you're serious about protecting your home and life savings from long-term care costs, let's talk. So here's what you can do right now. To discover more or to schedule a consultation, visit us at roulettelaw.com, or you can call our Florida office at 941-909-4644 or our Minnesota office at 763-420-5087. I've also written a book, Save Our Home, How to Protect Your Home and Life Savings from Long-Term Care and Nursing Home Costs, and you can download your copy for free by clicking the link in the description below. Finally, join us in my upcoming Masterclass, where I'll be revealing strategies I use with my private clients to help them protect their assets from long-term care costs. Again, there's a link in the description below to sign up. Don't wait until it's too late. The best time to plan is now while you still have options. I look forward to helping you protect what matters most. So thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on estate planning, asset protection, and how to keep your family's future secure. I look forward to seeing you in an upcoming video or the masterclass. Be well.